This is the brief on optimism and its superchain vision. So, Optimism, or OP as it's often called, is a really important layer 2 scaling solution. What's it for? Well, it tackles Ethereum's biggest headache, those crazy high transaction fees and sluggish speeds, making them a thing of the past. First up, how does it get so efficient? It uses something called Optimistic Rollups. Basically, think of it like batching together thousands of your transactions off the main Ethereum chain. Then, it sends just a tiny, compressed summary back to Ethereum. The result? Costs drop from dollars down to just pennies, and you still get Ethereum's security. Pretty neat, right? Second, Optimism's big play, its competitive edge, is this superchain idea. It's built using their open source toolkit, the OP stack. Instead of just competing, they're aiming to be the standard, like a foundational blueprint for others. And it's working. Big names like Coinbase, for their base network, are building using the OP stack. It's creating this whole network of connected chains. Finally, there's a catch, a critical trade-off, centralization risk. Right now, one group, the Optimism Foundation, controls the sequencer. That's the system ordering transactions. This creates a potential single point of failure or even censorship risk. Oh, and getting your funds back to Ethereum still takes about 7 days because of the security checks involved. This is a great point to quickly pause and remind our listeners of something. That's right, Sarah. If you're enjoying how we break down these complex projects into simple pieces and want more reviews just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CryptoBox. We do all the complex research so you don't have to.
Okay, so Optimism's strategy, standardizing the L2 world with its OP stack and superchain vision, really positions it as a potential leader in Web3 infrastructure, but only if it manages to pull off its tricky plan for full decentralization.